I hope you're having a wonderful day. I sure am. But before we get started, please remember to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. And we'll see you soon. Bye.
Alan's working on some understeer battery boxes for the American Wanderer this morning. One here? And then we'll get out of it.
Oh, yeah. Everybody's supposed to be videoing.
Yeah, we are.
Hey, good morning, everybody. We're at day whatever it is at the Van Fest. We're here doing a battery box for this gentleman. And I'll let him explain who he is and tell you how to find him, because, you know, that way I don't screw it up. But we're trying to design something to where he can put more batteries in later as he grows his electrical need. He's going to want up to 5 batteries in here, so we're going to cut this whole section out here and replace the 1 battery with a box that'll hold 5 batteries in the future.
Alright, I'm Jim Tinker. They call me JT. I'm the American Wanderer on YouTube. I've got a 2007 Ford E350 Super Duty 15-passenger shuttle bus. What I did is I took everything out and built it all from the ground up, doing the cabinets, and they're all purpose built. I have a sign company, so I make decals right out of the showroom. And hopefully I'll be doing a few for people around here. And after I get this done, which looks like it's going to be a great job, I'm going to be going to fans next, and then who knows, I'll be around for another week, I guess. But it looks like the planning on this is going good, and it looks like it's going to work really well.
Thanks, JT.
Yep,
even the owners are helping. JT from American Wanderer.
Thanks for being with us today. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And remember to hit the bell for notifications. See you soon. Bye.